In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Gemini is an innovative platform that allows users to manage multiple accounts seamlessly, which can be super handy if you have different profiles for work, personal use, or even testing out new features. So here's how to switch accounts effortlessly. First, start by opening your favorite web browser and type in Google Gemini to access the platform. It's as simple as that. You may also use a direct link if you prefer. If you're not already logged in, you might need to sign in with the account you're currently using. Once you're on the Gemini site, you should see the interface clearly laid out, depending on your browser window size. Don't worry if you don't see all the features immediately. Everything will be in the right place as you follow along. Now that you are on the main page of Google Gemini, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. This menu contains various options and features that help you navigate through the platform. You'll want to open this sidebar to access your account options. If you find that the sidebar is invisible, just keep an eye out for your profile picture in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will also reveal the sidebar to you. After you've opened the sidebar, the next step is to click on your username. This will typically be found at the bottom of the sidebar. Once you click on your username, a new menu will pop up that lists all the accounts associated with your Gemini profile. Now you're almost done. The next step involves selecting the account that you wish to switch to. You'll see a list of usernames or accounts available for you to select from. Just click on the one you want to use, and voila! What you might notice next is that switching accounts opens a new tab in your browser. This allows you to have both accounts open simultaneously if you wish, which is particularly useful for comparing content or quickly transferring information between accounts. You'll be able to navigate between both accounts without constantly logging in and out, saving you a significant amount of time. One thing many users find useful is to bookmark the Gemini dashboard of each account you use frequently. This makes switching a breeze. Instead of having to go through multiple steps, you can just click on the bookmark for an immediate login experience. And there you have it. You're now equipped to switch accounts on Gemini effortlessly. It's a straightforward process that you can do in just a few steps. You can easily manage your accounts, whether you're working or casually browsing. If you run into any issues while switching accounts, don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Consistently staying updated with these features not only makes your work more productive, but also keeps your digital life organized. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy tutorials on various platforms. Until next time, happy browsing on Gemini.